Many students and professionals struggle to stand out in a sea of applications and resumes. In today's competitive, academic, and professional landscape, it's crucial to present a compelling profile that captures the attention of admissions officers, recruiters, and employers.
Ready to supercharge your career and academic profile? Introducing IMS's ProfilePro, your gateway to success.
ProfilePro is designed to empower individuals in crafting outstanding profiles. With expert advice, personalized strategies, and professional tools, our program provides comprehensive support in highlighting your strengths, accomplishments, and unique qualities. We ensure that each profile tells a powerful story, making you stand out in any competitive landscape. With ProfilePro Advanced, gain in-demand skills through Coursera for 6 months, secure a guaranteed corporate internship, and master essential soft skills with Toastmasters International membership. Benefit from 6 personalized mentor sessions, providing career guidance tailored just for you. Perfect for recent graduates aiming for top B schools or seeking to strengthen their resumes. Introducing ProfilePro Essential, designed for high school and early college students. Access Coursera for 3 months, gain real-world experience through community service with an NGO, and receive personalized mentor guidance. 3 interactive mentor sessions will help you build a strong academic profile and gain practical skills.
Join IMS's ProfilePro programs and build a well-rounded profile to achieve your dreams. Register now.